learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and we are teaching you how to take a day off, some time off, because maybe you're feeling unwell or you have to take care of the family or whatnot. 我们还是要教，我要请假 I need some time off.
我爱请假，
我爱请假，要很有礼貌的问哈，才可以得到你要的这个1天或2天。那他老板就会说啊，你怎么了？
用的黑毛，
用的黑毛，到底发生什么事了，对不对？我们英文呢会说 Honesty is the best policy。有的时候诚实呢是比较好，有的时候因为我们迟到了，乱编一大堆理由是不对的。对不对？
对，
有的时候呢，真的是睡过头了嘛。
对，
就直接说 I'm so sorry, I overslept. The scenario today is I need some time off because I'm late. I overslept. OK， 我要说我睡过头了。
我睡过方。
我睡过饭啊，要吃饭、啊。
不是饭是方，就是睡过头了。
Okay, it sounds like rice or food, but I'm hungry. It actually means I overslept. 我睡过方。Okay.
就是我睡过头了。
我睡过头了。Okay, that means I overslept. And sometimes maybe you just need a couple of more hours because you feel tired, you need to sleep more. 就是想要多请2个小时的假之类的啦哈。所以没睡好，想请2个小时的假。
没睡饱。
没睡饱就是没睡饱。Okay, that means I didn't get enough sleep.
上呛2点钟给假。
上呛2点钟给假。OK, 上呛就是想要请6点钟。就是2点钟哦。
如果你只有讲两个钟头，我们会一般我们听到就是6点钟。
OK。
可是如果说2个小时的假，我们就会变音6点钟给假。
OK， 听起来是我要请2点钟的假，但它是2个小时的假的意思。OK， 6点 that means 2 hours， 6点钟。OK， that means 2 hours。给假 that means of time off。All right， OK， 再讲一次。
没睡饱。上呛2點鐘嘅假
Very difficult, but I'm going to try. 沒睡飽，上呛2點鐘嘅假。差不多了哈。
差不多了。
OK， 如果要把我弄得很正確，可能要再花2個小時，這樣我要請4個小時的假。
太長了。
All right, it's all about I want some time off. 我要請假。
我愛請假。
我愛請假 and what's the matter? 你怎麼了？
用的黑毛。
用的黑毛 and there you go, another edition of Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張磊了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.